Today we're gonna be replacing brake pads and front rotors up on a Toyota Camry. First, what you want to do is jack up the car. Next, what you want to do is take off the lug nuts. I'm using a 22mm socket, by the way. Next, what you want to do is take off the two bolts using a 14mm. Next, what you want to do is move the brake caliper. I just do that using a flathead. Next, what you want to do is remove the two brake caliper bolts. The top one right there, and the bottom one right there. It's a 17mm socket. I'm using a 3/8 breaker bar. You wanna tighten it back up in the star pattern.